Today, we're diving into an epic battle between two all-season tire giants, the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 and the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6. Which one should you trust to keep you safe, deliver top-notch performance, and endure whatever Mother Nature throws at you? Let's find out. First up, we have the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3, launched in 2019. Goodyear, a brand known for its innovation and reliability, presents this tire with a unique tread pattern designed to displace water efficiently. On the other side, we have the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6, launched in 2023. Bridgestone, a household name in both racing and daily driving, brings a tire that balances comfort, longevity, and year-round performance. In wet conditions, the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 slightly outperforms the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 in braking, stopping at 45 meters compared to Goodyear's 48.3 meters. When it comes to handling, both are neck and neck, but Goodyear has a slight edge in wet circle performance. However, Bridgestone takes the lead in straight aquaplaning resistance. In snowy conditions, the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 shines, stopping at 22.5 meters compared to Bridgestone's 23.1 meters. Goodyear also excels in traction, but Bridgestone takes a slight lead in snow slalom handling. Both tires show impressive performance, ensuring safety and control on snowy roads. When it comes to wear and longevity, Goodyear's Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 leads the way with a remarkable 57,129 kilometers before showing significant wear, whereas Bridgestone's Turanza All Season 6 comes in at 49,794 kilometers. This gives Goodyear a significant advantage in terms of durability. In dry conditions, the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 excels in braking, stopping at 38.5 meters compared to Goodyear's 41.8 meters. However, Goodyear takes the lead in dry handling with a top lap speed of 89.8 km/h, compared to Bridgestone's 88.8 km/h. Interestingly, both tires produce the same noise level at 73.3 dB, providing a quiet and comfortable ride regardless of your choice. For rolling resistance and fuel consumption, Bridgestone's Turanza All Season 6 has a slight edge with a lower rolling resistance and a better fuel efficiency. If you prioritize longevity and snow performance, Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 might be your best bet. However, if wet or dry braking and fuel efficiency are your top concerns, Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 could be the better choice. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your specific driving needs and preferences. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.